Today we'll take a look at today's LeetCode daily problem. It's remove all occurrences of a substring. It's a medium one. So we are given two strings, s and part. We have to perform an operation on the s string until all occurrences of a substring part have been removed. Find the leftmost occurrences of the substring part and remove it from s substring. Return s after removing all the occurrences of part.
So let's take an example. We have input as string has and the part string ABC. Okay, now we'll use a string builder here and find the part string characters in the S string. So basically let's find this one here ABC. So here we have ABC, here we have ABC, right? Okay, now we'll start building a string builder. Firstly we'll take one character at a time, like D, A, B and C. Okay, so we got our first occurrence, so we'll remove this. Okay, then we'll start with B here. Okay, from here again, here from here B, A, B, C. Again we got our ABC here. We'll remove this one also. Okay, then again we got A, B and C. Okay, so again we got our third occurrence, that is this one, so we'll remove this one also. So what we got, D, A, B. Okay, for a second example, let's take the second example from the problem itself. We have a string that contains A, X, 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 Y, Y, Y and B. Okay, and the part string has XY. We have to now let's again perform the same operation as before. We have to find XY, right? XY we have here. Okay, so let's start building our string builder. A, X, 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 X and Y. We got our first occurrence here, remove that. Then Y, we got our second occurrence here, so remove that also. Then we have to start from here, right? Okay, then again Y, we got our fourth occurrence, remove that also. Then again our last Y, now again we got our fifth occurrence, remove that also. Then we have B. Okay, so we got our final AB. This will just return.
Okay, let's start with the code part. I don't think there is need for dry run here, as it's almost okay. Okay, firstly, we will set the condition if the part string is null. Okay, and for s, right? Yeah, s string is null. Okay. Firstly, we'll handle this case, then return s, right? Then then int length is equals to uh, s dot length. Okay. Then and part will help us just defining the length of the strings here. and part dot length. Okay. So what we'll do in future, in- define this one is null, and we'll start a new for loop here. Int I equals 0, then I equals to s length, I think, yeah, dot length minus part length I plus here, then if substring s, yeah, s here, right, s this s dot substring I plus part length equals part. Okay, this is the condition. Now we'll just part index equals I, and we'll just break our while loop. No, while loop I mean. Okay. Then now we have done our I mean s string part. Now we'll do the same with my part if part index part index part index is not equals, sorry about that, it's not equals null, then firstly we'll define string equals, okay, initiate, we initiated a string here, empty string I mean, then part index greater than 0, then string dot s dot string, okay, 0 and part index, and we'll cover our substring part index plus part length, I think, I believe, part length, part length, yeah, length, and s length, okay, is dot string part index null, then else just break a loop. Uh, Then return original s. Try to run it. And 25. And 26. The statement. Sorry about that. Then 21, 29. Else without if. I think now it will cover because here now it will be fine. So without if. Okay. This will cover now. Here a condition if block is closed and now else block is closed. I think there is some kind of formatting error here. While loop close, while loop be closed. No, no, no. I think yeah, I think I got it. Now it should work fine. I believe. Okay. Our test cases have been accepted. We can now submit it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.